Hello, my CFA friends. Welcome to episode 5 of Ask Me Anything, my friends. Our question today comes from YouTube user Kabir Varma 9392. Hi, Martin. What can we expect about level 2? I have subscribed to your question-based revision and would like to continue with you for CFA level 2 if I pass level 1. So first of all, thank you very much for being a friend of the channel and for subscribing to the question-based revision. Second of all, I really hope you're going to pass your level 1. I'm sure you've worked very hard, not just with my videos, but certainly you have worked very hard on your own. So I wish you all the best, my friend. And I hope to see you, of course, at level 2. Now, in terms of plans for the channel, we have set out to provide a full CFA level 1 course. It's taken me 3 months of hard work, 7 days a week. Basically, that was my job, and I have completed it. I will continue the AMA sessions. Of course, if interesting questions come in, I will tackle them through AMA. I may also add a few videos here and there if there are any gaps identified in the tuition course. Now, what I am thinking about going forward are live sessions, and that includes level 1 and level 2 Zoom live sessions, my friends. So if you're interested, obviously I'm already offering individual lessons, but to keep costs down for yourselves, you can, for example, join a group lesson. So I'm considering that at the moment. I don't know what sort of demand there will be out there for that, but I would like you to think about the following questions. First of all, what is your ideal group size? So you may say, look, I don't want to do an individual lesson. It's a bit too expensive, but I still want to keep the group really small, for example, under 5 people, because I want a lot of individual attention. You could say, look, I'm happy with 10 people in the group, or 20 or 100 people in the group. So I need to understand a little bit more about group sizes. Secondly, how long do you want that lesson to be? Do you want a 1-hour lesson? Do you want a 2-hour lesson? Do you want a 3-hour lesson? Do you want an all-day lesson? Obviously, longer lessons, for example, 3-hour lessons, will come with breaks. But what sort of length size do you prefer? When are you most efficient? When do you start to kind of lose concentration? Remember, guys, I am here to design a product around your needs. I'm not going to be telling you how it's going to work. You're going to tell me how it's going to work. So I need your feedback. How frequent do you want the lessons to be? So you might say, I want a lesson once a week, or maybe twice a week. So what kind of schedule would work best for you in terms of your improvement over time? Also, best day of the week. And now a lot of you are in full-time employment. You're very busy. Monday to Friday, you might say, look, I can only do live lessons on a weekend. Best time of day. So here, this is a bit tricky because my audience is truly global. I have a lot of friends in India, a lot of friends in America, in the UK, and so on. So obviously, everyone's time zone is different, but I want to get you all together. So please convert your desired time to UK time. Okay? I mean, if you can't do that, you are preparing to be an analyst, so you must be able to do that. Please convert your time to UK time, and then let me know what the ideal time of day is, in addition to the best day of the week, and you can give me several options. And also, very important, how much are you actually willing to spend on 1-hour group lesson? This is kind of important, of course, because I need to make sure that I've got the right class size in order to make this whole thing work and to be financially viable. Okay, so these are the questions I want you to be thinking about. Once you know the answers, once you know that you are interested, please email stoinov.financial@gmail.com. This is in relation to both level 1 and level 2. So if you are a level 1 student right now, you're watching my videos, but you're feeling like, hey, I actually would prefer to have some live tuition or live revision, that applies to level 1, but also will be applying to level 2. So, also, while we are here, please become a friend of the channel. A lot of people are watching the videos. Very few people are supporting me. So please become a friend of the channel. It's very easy. You go to this website here and you subscribe to my question-based revision for an unbeatably low monthly price, okay? And that also gives you 10% off the one-to-one tuition. So if you want individual tuition, it's going to make it a bit cheaper, okay? If you want your AMA question to be featured in episode 6, please email it to stoinov.financial@gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.